collagen loss isn't irreversible. Today we reveal the 8 most powerful collagen-repairing vegetables ranked from effective to extraordinary backed by peer-reviewed science. Number 3 alone rebuilds cartilage and slashes nerve pain by 40% in weeks. Every claim is grounded in real research, all studies linked below. First, pause and ask yourself, where does it hurt most? Are your hands buzzing like a cell phone on vibrate? Or are your knees groaning with every stair step? Drop your answer in the comments. We read and personally reply to every single one. Your experience guides our next videos. Vegetable number 8, red bell peppers. Don't dismiss this colourful fridge staple as mere salad decor. Just half a cup delivers a stunning 150% of your daily vitamin C, the catalytic spark plug that ignites collagen production at the cellular level. After 60, your body's collagen factories stall without adequate vitamin C. Amino acids float uselessly like unassembled car parts. A landmark 2020 study tracked seniors with high vitamin C intake and found they developed 23% stronger grip strength, walked 18% faster, and showed dramatically lower inflammation markers, CRP and IL-6. And the secret weapon? Capsanthin, a fiery antioxidant that shields vulnerable knee and wrist joints from oxidative erosion, much like rust-proofing a classic car. For maximum impact, eat them raw, sliced into strips with guacamole, or lightly sautéed in avocado oil. This isn't just a crunchy snack, it's your joints repair kit disguised as produce. Vegetable number 7, spinach. This humble leafy green wages war on collagen collapse across 3 battlefronts. Its beta-carotene, vitamin A, awakens dormant fibroblasts. Your collagen-producing cells, like a defibrillator, jump-starting a stalled heart. Magnesium deficient in 6 out of 10 seniors, calms hyperactive nerves, silencing hand cramps and sciatic lightning strikes. And natural nitrates transform into nitric oxide, flooding stiff joints with oxygen-rich blood to dissolve inflammation like aspirin in water. A 2018 clinical trial revealed seniors eating 2 cups of spinach daily experienced 70% less nerve compression pain and moved with the fluidity of oiled hinges. If your fingers tingle when typing or knees lock mid-stride, make spinach your daily green armor. Pro tip: sauté with minced garlic and lemon zest heat triples its collagen-protecting power. Vegetable number 6, okra. Embrace the slime, it's your biological lubricant. Okra's viscous mucilage mimics your body's vanishing synovial fluid, coating crumbling joint cartilage like liquid Teflon. Its polyphenols and pectin form a protective shield while actively rebuilding collagen density, proven in studies to reduce osteoarthritis pain by 40%. Critical for seniors, it delivers vitamin K to direct calcium into bones, where it belongs, and manganese to forge proline, the literal backbone of collagen fibers. If your fingers stiffen when gripping a steering wheel or knees grind like unoiled gears when standing, okra's slippery magic becomes your internal mechanic. Slice lengthwise, toss with olive oil and paprika, and roast at 400 degrees until edges crisp. The inside remains a healing gel. Vegetable number 5, broccoli. Consider this cruciferous warrior your joint's personal bodyguard. Sulforaphane, its crown jewel, activates the NRF2 gene pathway, shielding collagen factories from free radical grenades. It simultaneously blocks glycation, where sugar caramelizes collagen into stiff, useless strands, while flooding nerves with protective antioxidants. A 2020 study found seniors eating 1.5 cups of broccoli daily maintained 89% greater tendon elasticity and halted Rice Krispie knee syndrome, those unsettling pops and cracks. Diabetics, take note. Its fiber regulates blood glucose, the silent collagen assassin. For hands that burn like hot coals at 3 a.m. or ankles that refuse to pivot, broccoli isn't a side dish. It's a nerve and joint ICU. Steam for 4 minutes only, overcooking annihilates 80% of sulforaphane. Vegetable number 4, beets. When legs feel like concrete pillars or toes tingle like live wires, beets orchestrate a circulation revolution. Their nitrates convert into nitric oxide, a molecule that forcibly dilates microvessels, delivering oxygen and nutrients to collagen-starved joints and nerves. A 2019 trial had seniors drink 8 Oz of beet juice daily. Within 3 weeks, they gained 21% better leg circulation, 34% stronger quadriceps activation, and walked 19% longer without pain. Then betalain pigments, those deep red warriors, ambush free radicals feasting on your collagen matrix. Roast whole beets wrapped in foil at 375 degrees until knife tender, or grate raw into salads with apple cider vinegar. For icy feet or knees that throb like a bass drum at night, beets are nature's defrost button. Vegetable number 3, seaweed. Unlock the ocean's collagen vault with this oceanic superfood. Its fucoidan compounds rebuild tendon structure by stimulating fibroblast activity, while iodine resuscitates sluggish thyroids, the hidden culprit behind icy hands and slow-healing knees. Research confirmed seniors eating seaweed 3x week slashed knee stiffness by 40% in just 4 weeks, equivalent to prescription gel injections. Its mineral triad, zinc, copper, manganese, acts as collagen's construction crew. Without them, repairs stall like abandoned building sites. Crumble nori sheets into miso soup or blend wakame into green smoothies. The briny taste vanishes, leaving joints sliding like glass and nerves bathed in mineral-rich repair fluid. Vegetable number 2, asparagus. Glutathione, your body's master antioxidant, resides in these emerald spears. It neutralizes collagen-destroying enzymes ravaging joint cartilage and nerve sheaths like termites in woodwork. Crucial for seniors, its vitamin K blocks calcium from crystallizing in joint spaces, a primary trigger for stiffness and reduced range of motion. A 2020 study linked high glutathione levels to biologically younger collagen in hands and knees. For fingers that stubbornly curl like claws or hips that lock when rising from chairs, roast asparagus with olive oil and cracked black pepper. It's genetic level repair for your connective tissue. Vegetable number 1, parsley. The ultimate collagen regenerator hides in plain sight on your dinner plate. Just 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley pack more vitamin C than an entire orange. The non-negotiable fuel your collagen synthesis machinery craves. Its apogene in flavonoid then silences NF-κB inflammation pathways in nerve endings and joints. A 2022 trial had seniors add parsley to meals daily. Within 6 weeks, 79% reversed joint dryness and hand numbness faster than glucosamine supplements. Blend a handful into morning smoothies or shower finely chopped leaves over scrambled eggs. Its flavor disappears while its magic works. For knees that creak like rusty hinges or spine-tingling numbness when you bend, parsley isn't garnish. It's nature's collagen IV drip. Disclaimer. This content is educational, not a substitute for medical advice. Consult your physician before dietary changes. Individual results may vary. All cited studies are available in the video description. Subscribe for more and watch the useful videos on screen for your benefit. Thanks for watching, my lovely seniors.